Hello children, this is about my family. We have seen fairy stories, correct? They have visited three more families. In that, one they spend time with watching a TV, and another family will spend the time in restaurant, and one more family this will spend time in picnic. Okay, here we have the question time. What we should do is open your VE textbook, page number 5. That write T for true and F for false statements. So I'll help you out doing it one. The fairies go to look for a sad family. Is that true? No, they have seen happy family, correct? So you should write F for false. I'd help you doing it one. So rest all you should do. Next, turn the page. So here is the reality check. Sometimes people who help us with the house work live with us. They are away from their own families. We must be kind to them and take care of them. So some people are out from their families. By that time, how we should behave? We should talk to them politely. Yes, we should not talk to them rudely. So give them good food and clothes. Okay, next, same here, you should do it. Okay, here the options are there. You should use and write it. So which is your family? You should just tick it in the box. If it is a happy family, it looks like this. So tick it here. How is your family? They help each other like this or like this. Just tick it out. Thank you, children.